Chapter 13, Sloka 31. Anaditva nirgunatvat, anaditva nirgunatvat, anaditva nirgunatvat, paramatmayam avyayah, paramatmayam avyayah, paramatmayam avyayah, अनादित्वा निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मायम् अव्ययः 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 शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते न करोति न लिप्यते न करोति न लिप्यते शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय 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 न करोति न लिप्यते अनादित्वा निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मायम् अव्ययः शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.